Imagine being able to make an extra $500 a month, no experience, no complicated skills, and no upfront investment. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you there are 5 legitimate websites that you can start using today to begin earning real money from home, even if you've never done this before? Stay tuned, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through some hidden gems that can help you reach your financial goals faster than you ever thought possible. Do you want to know the best part? You can start today. Stick around, because some of these platforms might surprise you on how quickly you can start earning. Let's dive in. First up is LanguageLine Solutions. If you speak more than one language, you can turn that into cash by working as an interpreter from home. LanguageLine hires people to do translation work over the phone and through video calls. With over 9,000 interpreters on their team, they are constantly looking for people who speak in-demand languages like Spanish, Arabic, and Mandarin. First, head over to LanguageLine.com. Scroll down to the careers section where you can see the current job openings. You'll find that interpreters can earn anywhere between $15 and $20 per hour, depending on the language and location. Even if you're just getting started, this can quickly become a reliable side income. And if you think that's good, just wait until you see the next platform. Next up, we have CrowdSurf work, a perfect gig if you enjoy transcription and captioning. CrowdSurf offers flexible work where you convert audio and video into written text. No need to be glued to a 9-to-5 schedule. You can take on tasks at your own pace. To get started, go to crowdsurfwork.com. The sign-up process is simple, and after completing a few short assessments, you can start accepting tasks. Payments range from $17 to $28 per hour, and they pay via PayPal, which makes it super convenient. But what if I told you that the more tasks you complete, the higher your earnings go? And there's a secret trick to maximizing your pay. But first, let's check out the next hustle. If you're someone who loves discovering new music, Playlist Push is a fantastic side hustle for you. Imagine getting paid to listen to and curate playlists on Spotify. Not only do you support up-and-coming artists, but you can earn anywhere from $2 to $15 per song, depending on how popular your playlist is. Head to playlistpush.com and sign up as a curator. Once approved, you'll start receiving songs based on your playlist genre. The key here is to grow your followers and stay active. The more followers you have, the more you can earn. Now, if you're ready to take your playlist to the next level, wait until you see the next platform that pays you for doing almost nothing. This next one is a bonus side hustle on this list. We are embarking on a new journey helping creators save time and energy by offering services like thumbnail design, channel branding, and more. This way, creators can focus on what matters most, making great content for their audience, while we take care of the rest. This is where you come in. You will earn between $10 to $20 for every person that signs up for one of our service. It's that easy. Check the description for the email address. Send us a message to know more. If you live in a city with Lime scooters, this side hustle might just blow your mind. Lime allows you to earn money by picking up and charging scooters. You can do this at night, drop them off in the morning, and literally make money while you sleep. To become a juicer, sign up on li.me and gain access to the Juicer map, where you can locate scooters that need charging. On average, you'll earn between $5 to $12 per scooter. It's quick, easy, and you'll have money deposited into your account the next morning. Are you seeing the potential yet? But what if I told you there's a side hustle that lets you work directly from your phone anywhere you want? Stick around, because the next one is pure gold. ProductTube pays you to record short video reviews of products.
I'm at Kroger, 112 Sunset Drive, Johnson City, Tennessee. And I'm going to be shopping for a trip to the lake.
You'll get paid for giving your honest opinion while shopping or reviewing items at home. It's simple. You record a video, upload it, and get paid in gift cards. Head over to producttube.com and sign up. You'll receive assignments based on where you shop and what you buy. It only takes a few minutes to record, and you can earn anywhere between $5 and $35 per project. Now that you know about these amazing side hustles, which one will you start with? Remember, the sooner you take action, the sooner you can start earning. These platforms give you the opportunity to start making money immediately. And the best part? You don't need experience to succeed. What are you waiting for? One of these websites could be the game changer you've been waiting for. If you found value in today's video, give it a thumbs up. And did you know you can earn money just by watching YouTube videos? Check out this side hustle video where I explain it all. Thank you for watching.